So children, let us start this video with again the poem recitation. So you can join me. Come on, let us recite the poem once again. There is a silver house in the lovely sky, as round as a silver crown. It takes 2 weeks to build it up and 2 to pull it down. There is a man who lives in the silver house in a lonely sort of way, but what his name is, no one knows or no one likes to say. Yet, when you go to bed tonight, just draw the window blind and peep out at the silver moon, this lonely man to find. But if his house is taken down and all the sky is bare, then go to bed, of course. Then go to bed because, of course, the poor man won't be there. By John Lee. So, children, so this is the poem. So, before starting with the poem explanation, I just want to tell you some scientific terms related to this poem. Okay, so let us go through them first, then we will start with the poem. So, first, what is here? Here you can see the phases of the Earth's moon. Okay, come on, let us start. Let us go through the names. So, first is new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, then waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, third quarter, waning crescent, and again the full moon. Okay, children. Now, what do you mean by the phases of the moon? So, children, as the moon orbits around the earth, the half of the moon that faces the sun will be lit up. The different shapes of the lit portion of the moon that can be seen from the earth are known as phases of the moon. Each phase repeats itself every 29.5 days. So, children, the four primary moon phases are new moon, first quarter, full moon, third quarter, that is the last quarter. So, this is regarding the phases of the moon. Okay, now let us see about full moon. Now, what do you mean by full moon? Children, full moon is a moon phase when the moon appears completely illuminated when seen from earth. Now, illuminated means completely, it is glowing, it is shining, or it is light up. Okay, that is meant by illuminated. A full moon happens once a month when the earth is situated exactly between the sun and the moon. The hemisphere of the moon facing earth is completely illuminous. It is completely shining, completely glowing. Okay, children. Now, what do you mean by new moon? Children, we have a new moon when our moon's orbit around Earth moves it between Earth and the Sun. From Earth, the moon surface moon surface looks dark because the illuminated side is facing away from Earth. Now, this new moon occurs when the moon is between Earth and the Sun, and thus the side of the moon that is in shadow faces Earth. Okay, children. Now we all know that the moon doesn't change its shape. Okay, and it cannot cast light by itself. Okay, instead we only see a change in shape because we can only see the parts of the moon that are being lit up by the sun. The phases occur because the sun lights different parts of the moon as the moon revolves around the earth. Children, we all know that moon is a rocky natural satellite that orbits the earth. This means the reason we see different phases of the moon here on earth is that we only see the parts of the moon that are being lit up by the sun. Okay, so these were some of the scientific terms related to poem. Okay, now let us start with the poem. So let us start with the poem explanation. So come on, let us start. So first stanza, what is given? There is a silver house in the lovely sky, as round as a silver crown. It takes 2 weeks to build it up and two to pull it down. Okay, so before starting, children, I just want to tell you about the central idea of the poem. Okay, let us go through. The poet in this poem tries to portray the moon in a beautiful way. He describes the moon as a silver house. He also adds, there is a man who lives alone in the silver house. He is saying that there is a man who lives alone in the silver house, that is the moon. So the poet John Lee indirectly describes the phases of the moon. The poem describes a silver house which is as round as a silver crown in the sky, which is in fact what, children? It is the moon. The poem gradually explains that the house, which actually is the moon, takes 2 weeks to build it up and two to pull it down, which is the time the moon takes to change from the new moon phase to the full moon phase. Okay, children. So this is the central idea of the poem. Now we will go stanza wise. So in the first stanza, the poet John Lee is comparing the silver house in the sky to a moon. He describes the different phases of the moon as the time to build up, means which phase? The waxing phase, and pull down, that is the waning phase, and of the moon, which is said to be the silver house. Okay. Now here, children, crown, it is the silver coin that was used in England in the past. Okay, now we will move to next stanza. There is a man who lives in the silver house in a lonely sort of way, but what his name is, no one knows or no one likes to say. So, in the second stanza, the poet is talking about a man who lives in the silver house, and how no one knows, or no one wants to talk about that man. So he is living in a lonely sort of way there, and no one knows his name or no one likes to say. But he is living there in the silver house. Okay, children? Now we will move to third stanza. Yet, when you go to bed tonight, just draw the window blind and peep out at the silver moon, this lonely man to find. The poet further advises us to draw the window blind at night. Now, children, here the poet is saying to draw the window blind. To draw means to pull or drag the window blind. Now, what do you mean by window blind? See, this is window blind. It can be horizontal, it can be vertical. A window blind, it is a protective covering for the window. A window blind keeps out light. So the poet is saying to drag the window blind and peep out at the silver moon to find whether that lonely man is present there or not. Okay, so the poet is advising us to draw the window blind at night in order to see the lonely man. Okay, now we will move to last stanza. But if his house is taken down and all the sky is bare, then go to bed, because, of course, the poor man won't be there. So at last, the poet John Lee states that if you fail to find the poor man in the sky while peeping out, it is because the silver house has been taken down. Means the moon is shrinking. The silver house will, of course, not be there because due to the moon being in the which phase, children? The moon is in the shrinking phase. Shrinking phase means it is in the new moon phase. So the poet is saying, but if this house is taken down and all the sky is bare, all the sky is bare means sky is empty, sky is plain, means there is no moon there, means moon is shrinking, moon is in the new moon phase, that is bare, sky is bare. Okay, so this is the poet's imagination. Okay, children, imaginative poem. The poet describes the moon as a silver house in the beautiful sky. He describes the waxing and waning of moon as building and dismantling of the house. Which house? Silver house, where the lonely man was living. Okay, that is the waxing and waning of moon. That is the moon changing. That is the time the moon taking to change from new moon phase to the full moon phase. Okay, children, see how the poet beautifully described the phases of the moon, waxing and waning phase of the moon, that is full moon and waxing and waning phase, full moon and new moon. Everything he is describing in a beautiful sort of way. His imagination, children, beautiful imagination of the poet John Lee in his poem The Silver House. Okay, children, I hope you enjoyed the poem, you understood the poem. Now, we will meet in the next period. Till then, what you have to do? You have to start learning the poem. And your work is you will copy down this poem in your classwork copy. You can draw beautiful pictures of moon, sky, stars, decorate your poem and write it down in your copy. The next period we will see about pointers, we will see the appreciation of the poem, the various figures of speech used, the rhyme scheme, everything we will go through. So, till then, your work is to learn the poem and write it down in a beautiful way in your classwork copy. This is your homework, okay, children? So, till next period, you will take care. See you. Bye bye.